Okay, we're gonna start this thing up, and I still have that one 4x4 or whatever you want to call it there, and then of course the big dropping walnuts. Beautiful big bird up there. Really nice evening. That's what it is, an evening. Gotta watch these birds. They'll go after the chickens. See what he's gonna do. Nah. Okay, gotta open up the sawmill here. Pull out the sawmill. This, I think it needs to be, in order to cut any boards out of this, I'm gonna have to drop that back down on it. Drop this side down. Okay. Cut it this way. Now I should be able to get at least maybe 3 out of that. I'm hoping. Hope I can get 3 out of there. Let's bring this one out. Before we start, let's take it all the way to the end here. I'm going to go ahead and put some grease in it. I'll get the grease gun, take it to the end of the track. I have a 4x4 I cut a while back on a piece of oak. And I would like to cut that. I mean, it's discolored a little bit, but it's okay with me. Let's see what kind of wood I can get out of it. Who knows, I might get a couple really nice boards out of it. Okay, that should be quite ready. Put this stuff back up on there. Let's get a little build up in here. You think it would have blew out or something? I don't know. Oh, put it upside down. I guess that would be a problem. That's not too bad. Let me get this rest hooked up because everything's been turned off. Yesterday I usually unhook the battery because I don't know if that makes any difference. It shouldn't discharge it anyways, but oh, there we go. All right, let me see where I'm at on this. Now this is not tied down, so we're going to try to cut it. So what we got? That's 4 inches here. It's not a very good number there. Maybe set it up, see what I get out of this one. I like to have at least 1 inch boards off of that. Those ones I'll take down and get them dried out. That's 6. Okay, setting on 5. I really need to go. Yeah, I'll just go with that. So right there is a 5 inch, and then we're going to go down to an inch. We're just going to take an inch off. Two really nice ones there. Kind of looks like something you buy in the store, the 1x. 1x4 or something like that, 1x6. Probably 1x6s. So what we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 real nice 1x. Now, heck, if that was cut down, see if I can get to see it. You know, if that was ran through a planer and cut down to be a really nice board, and like I said, some people still use it, make a really nice trim in your house. And of course, it has to dry a little bit more than what this is, but now this is 1 inch thick. And of course, the ones that you buy in the store, like Lowe's and stuff, it's only 3/4. So I mean, by the time you run it through a planer, it's going to be down there anyway. So you basically take about 1/4 inch off, you know, and then you got really nice trim boards. Now I have another one, and I'm going to grab it. Let's see. I don't know if I can get something out of this. This was an oak that I had a while back. What I need to do is just keep it and cut it for the bottom of my track there. It looks like it's pretty rotten on this bottom end. But I think that's what I'll do. I'm just going to keep it the way I was going to cut it. I wanted to cut it up and see if I can get some, because you know oak comes out really nice boards too. But I think if I just go ahead and just keep it and put it on that bottom track, it's starting to rot out. And then because my overhang. I was always wanting. Well, I wanted to build this up back in here and fix it. Actually, I could probably just, you know, cement some concrete. But this down in here, the whole track itself. When I put these, this just sits on top of here, so it's just sitting there. It needs cleaned out around it, because this is a trailer underneath of here, and the axles, of course, the springs would fit right in here, and then I have the axles and the wheels, so I could actually just take it and you know, run with it. It has the hitch and everything on the front of it. It's all built in. Then just put a set of portable lights on it. And I think I had the I think I got fenders in there for it too, excuse me. But I just took it off because I like to set here, and then we got these jacks like this on here, because they were longer, because you know, when you had the wheels on it and everything, they were longer, and I put a set of short ones on there, so I think the longer ones should be in there too. But this here is a square tubing that I picked up off somebody. My brother did all the welding on it. He's pretty good at that kind of stuff, and so we can pull. Then I decided not to pull it anywhere. So okay, I need to take some of this wood, put over here in the pile, stack it, and then go ahead and cut that wood up here and throw it in a truck for firewood. I got a place over here I've been burning for a while. Actually, it's been burning for about 3 or 4 days. I'm not going to throw anything on it. I think it might rain tomorrow or the next day, so if it does, that's kind of good. But I'll come up here and I'll go ahead and throw some stuff on it. But right now it's a little windy, and you got to be careful and set the place on fire. So I'm going to go ahead and unload that truck, get that truck unloaded, and then I'll stack this wood over here on the other side, and then go ahead and cut that wood up. I kind of made this a little designated burn place. You always have something you have to kind of get rid of. But I don't want to, like I said, I don't burn nothing now. I think it's too windy, but some old pallets. Just trying to get some things cleaned up. I'll go ahead and take these 8s, bring them down here, put them on this pile, because these need to get dried out a little bit. I'm going to be using these pretty shortly. They won't be too long. Do too good on there, so need to be underneath that one a little bit. Get some more stickers here. 2 more here. I think that one's a little bit smaller than the other one, but it can sit here on the end. These ones I'm putting it somewhere else. Set them on top of the saw thing here. I have to get that cleaned up. Not cleaned up anyways, because I'm gonna get ready to bring another log down, cut some more. So I get to go into the big pile over here and pick out another board, probably another poplar since I'm already cutting them. And then there's some sassafras. I don't know if I'm gonna make cookies off of those, you know, or I'm just gonna cut and make something off of it, but whatever, it's gonna come out pretty decent, whatever it's gonna be. So let me go ahead and get this cut up. This is gonna be my firewood here. At least put me on a pair of glasses. Makes really nice firewood. So if you know somebody has a portable sawmill, you can probably get this for nothing. Or even a big sawmill, they get so much of this scrap in, they can't do nothing with it. And a lot of people don't like burning it. Everybody wants the log. Nobody wants to mess with these pieces like this. And they burn up a little bit faster than a big log, but I mean, if somebody gives it to you, I don't see that being a problem. Peace out. Help me rock it a little bit. keep that one. Okay, there you go. Got sawdust on the sawmill. Okay, that's not bad. It's not bad. Little load of firewood. It'll dry out pretty quick because, like I said, the log's already been dry. The only reason it's wet is probably because it's sitting out here. Got it all cleaned up here, so I'll stick a board across here. When I bring a new log in, it'll stop it from rolling, and then get me another one up on top of here and go ahead and get it cut. Just got to keep doing it until winter hits. I've done it when it was snowing, cutting. It's a lot of fun. It's a little cold, but a lot of fun. So, okay. All right, if you have any comments, just leave them down below. I'll get back as soon as I can, and thanks for watching.